here's a quick video on how you can change driving belt tensioner on a Toyota Avensis. Take your wheel off and then you take this plastic panel off from in front of here. It's just held on by some plastic clips. What you do is you put a 22mm spanner on here and you twist it anti-clockwise, and that will loosen the tension on the belt. And then once you've slipped the belt off, you can let go of it. This will spring back, and just make sure you don't get your spanner or your finger stuck in between it. So you will need to take the crankshaft pulley off, which is held on with a large 22mm socket. Get your impact on it, otherwise you won't be able to get it off. One bolt here, and you have one bolt right there, new shiny ones I've got in there. Remove those two, and then what you'll do, I'll leave this in just sort of hand tight. So what you'll do after that is you support the engine with a jack and a piece of wood, and then up here you remove this 17mm bolt, these two, and then the 17mm nut as well. And then from underneath there's also a bolt or a nut right underneath here. It's a 14mm, so you remove that one as well, and then you lower the engine. If you wanted to get a bit more access down there, it's not necessary. The reason why it's a pain in the ass is because you've got these 12mm bolts that have a tiny little head, and what happens is, if you don't have the socket on there correctly, and because there's really tight space in there, these ones barely came out. So what I've gone ahead and do is got one of these boards with a washer, and then just put some thread locker on it, and yeah, that will make it a bit easier to take it off next time. You've got more contact area, and it's also a 13mm, which is much more common than a 12mm. Putting it back together is literally the opposite of removal. So once you got the tensioner in, those three bolts tightened down, we'll put the crankshaft wheel back on. So you line the little tab up like that. The torque spec for center port is 300 newtons. So once you manage to get your belt on, that thing, the tensioner, is really hard to get loose. Pretty much how I've done it is I've got one of these 22mm spanners, and then what I had to do is I had it on there, and then I got it started. And then once I got it started, I had enough space to put another spanner in there to increase the leverage, interlocking them like that. And then after that, the last one that you actually put on is the water pump, because you can just slide it over it once you have it, once you have the tensioner loose, and then you can just let it go. And then now it's time to put everything else back. So AC pipe clip back into place, wiring loom harness clip back into place, nut back on here, and tight, and two bolts back in with a bit of thread lock on them, and then we'll go and put in the one from underneath, just like that. All the bolts are now tightened down, and the jack is out from underneath. Sounds beautiful. No more squealing and rattling.